Good evening. In this lecture, we will discuss structure-activity relationship of anticonvulsant drug. The first structure-activity relationship of barbiturate. We know that barbiturates are the derivative of 2,4,6-trioxahexahydropyrimidine that reversibly depress the activity of all the excited tissues and are synthesized by the condensation of malonic acid derivatives with urea derivatives. CNS depressant barbiturate are mainly 5,5 disubstituted and 1,5,5 trisubstituted barbiturate. The main prototype drug in this category in barbituric acid is 2,4,6-trioxohexahydropyrimidine. It lacks CNS depressant activity, but substitution at various positions gives many compounds with anticonvulsant activity. Optimum activity is observed when the substitution is carried out at fifth position by phenyl. The 5 and 5' diphenyl derivative have less activity than phenobarbital. N1 and N3 means first and third substituent in some cases resulted in an increase in activity. In case of head and twine, 5-phenyl or other aromatic substitution is essential for activity. Alkyl substituent at fifth position 5 may contribute to sedation, a property absent in phenytoin. Among other hypnotics, 1,3-disubstituted head exhibit activity against chemically induced convulsion while it remains ineffective against electric shock induced convulsion. In oxazolidiones, replacement of the NH group at position 1 of the head system with an oxygen atom yield the oxazolidine 2,4-dione system. 3,5,5-trimethylhedadione was the first drug introduced specifically for the treating absence seizures. It is also important as a prototype structure. The nature of the substituent on the fifth position is important. Example: lower alkyl substituent towards antipathymal activity, while acyl substituent towards antigranular activity. The N-alkyl substituent does not alter or afford the activity since all the clinically used agents from this class undergo N-dealkylation in metabolism. In succinamides, the activity of antiepileptic agents such as the oxazolidine 2,4-dione with substituted succinamides was logically choice for the synthesis of evaluation. N-dimethylation occurs to yield the putative active metabolite. Both phenosuxamide and the N-dimethyl metabolite are inactivated by para-hydroxylation and conjugation. In phenacimide, the various substituents that are tested on the phenylacetylurea and their SAR is discussed as among aliphatic acetylurea the highest conversion activity is found in those derivatives from the branch chain acid of about 7 carbon atoms. With a further increase in molecular weight of the conversion activity gradually terminates, the hypnotic effect predominates. Phenacimide is the most active agent among the aromatic acetylurea. Any substitution in nitrogen of the phenacimide does not increase further anticonversion activity. The activity decreases with aromatic substituent of the phenacimide with a gradual increase in hypnotic effect. In case of sodium valproate, the conversion activity increases with increased chain length. Mean when aliphatic state chain substitution increases, then activity will increase. Introduction of a double bond decreases activity. Introduction of tertiary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol group or replacement of carbonyl or hydroxyl have no effect. Thank you.